coming straight at me still. Fly! What a dumbass. Yes! Fuck you, bitch. 24, nice. Got him. Bro, I'm such a dumbass. I was recording, shooting pheasants out of the air and shit, and I had no bullets left because I was shooting Canada goose. Alright, the pheasant is right over there somewhere. Yeah, right there. So I have to go a little bit further than that. Around 70, 80, 90 meters. Like that, and then whistle. And he's going straight. Yeah. And we put him out of his misery. This guy is so good, bro. Holy shit. I mean, it's alright. Let me do it again. I can easily kill him with a pistol while he's, you know, just laying down, but what's the point, you know? Where's the fun in it? I still see it. Damn, I won't be able to see it when I get over here. Hopefully I can see it taking off, though. Alright. Alright, he's coming. Coming straight at me. Look at this. Look at this. Look how easy this is. Just fucking flick him. That's a good one. Speed 2.3. That's really good. That's what we want. Hell yeah. Can't even see her. Right there. Well, I'm gonna do it blindly then. I can't see the fucking thing, bro. Yes! Oh, that's an. Oh, no, no, no! Oh, thank fuck. Oh, bro. Thank fuck. Thank to God and everything. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's unreal. That's unreal, bro. That is unreal. Oh my god. You know how long this shit took?